What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's start with the definition of this token. The SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven, fair-launched DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition and burn. And as usual, let's continue with their official Twitter page. For now, they have 798.7 thousand followers. They added about 7,000 followers since yesterday. Not so many compared even with the Shiba Inu. But we have a negative sentiment around the crypto market, and these red days also affected all the coins like SafeMoon, for example. And let's start one by one with their latest tweets. 5 hours ago, they posted this: "We are family, we are SafeMoon." Just inspirational tweet, nothing more. And the next one 10 hours ago: "If in doubt, zoom out." And you can see that you can rotate the app SafeMoon wallet in order to see more thoroughly the chart represented on this wallet. It is just a render, it's not the real app, but nevertheless they're working on its functionality, and I think we might see somewhere in the future this product. And the real product, I mean not the scam product that I've covered in my yesterday's video, but the real product. And next tweet 13 hours ago: "Still holding." Nothing more than just an inspirational tweet. And as you can see, we have a lack of new information around this token, around SafeMoon, and that's why we have this decline in price. And on top of that, let me show you that 17 hours ago we have this article. It was published on ledger.com on their blog section, and let me show you that we can see the SafeMoon mentioned right here, and let me quote it for you. "SafeMoon is looking to build an NFT exchange, a video game, and has other promised features. However, it's also been considered a meme coin for various reasons. Namely, one Dave Portnoy, the founder of Barstool Sports, has been shilling it despite having no idea how this works. It could be a Ponzi scheme for all we know," he states. "Generally, when a big figure promotes a coin, tons of regular day traders get involved. The ones who got in on the ground floor then sell, losing those new investors' funds. There is no legitimate growth from the long-term holding, just a cycle of pumping and dumping. This is where crypto's bad reputation comes from." And this opinion is rather common. I have to say that I partially agree, because some of these meme coins in the future will collapse, and bunch of investors will lose their money. But each and every time I make my videos, I mention about my 3 simple rules. And if you realize that these coins are extremely risky, there is nothing to worry about that. Because all the time you will have the opportunity to earn the money. And this opportunity doesn't come without the risks. And the more money potentially you can earn, the more risks involved in the process of investing. And basically, I have to say that money doesn't come from thin air. On every exchange, those people who buy the dip and sell at the top, they earn money. And vice versa, those who buy at the top, they will lose money. And the exchange is nothing else than just a process of putting money from one pocket to another. And this is it. If you gain some money, this means someone lost this money. And this is the nature of all the exchanges. And this news is widely spread among all the crypto world, because it was published on Ledger official webpage. As you can see, ledger.com/blog, Shiba Inu and SafeMoon, how to stay safe. And I will put the link on this article in the description below, so you can read it by yourself. And basically, let's continue with rather good news. And we have a message from the CEO. And right here you can see that it was published on March 21st, but I think it was published just several hours ago. So it was published on May 21st. And right here, John covered several questions, and he covered the questions about the marketing team, development team, legal team, reflections with exchanges, and basically it's nothing new fundamentally, but it is very good that development team and all the C executives of SafeMoon, they work with the community, and they trying to be as transparent as possible. Of course, it doesn't guarantee any success at all, and of course it might be very difficult to earn some money, and of course every time I make this type of videos I realize that this asset might go literally to the zero. But nevertheless, if we can see the price action, any price action on the price chart, it is an opportunity to you as a trader or as an investor to make some money. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video somewhere at this point where you can where we had this huge spike in price, and as you can see we hit this level, and this is our previous support/resistance that I drew, I guess, weeks ago, and it perfectly works. This means the asset is moving technically. This means from the technical standpoint you can make some money with this asset, nothing more. I don't encourage anybody to make a long-term investment in this company. I always encourage you to do your own due diligence. And basically at the end of the day, you and only you are responsible for your own money. And if you lose this money, it is your fault. And if you gain this money, it is also your decision. So, what should we expect next? In my opinion, we might hover quite some time between this level, this previous resistance, and I think the bottom level will be next potential support. But for now, we have this level as our support as well. Let me show it to you from this point, and we have a confluence zone with this bottom and some kind of resistance right here. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. Even at this top, and yes, as you can see, we have this line as potential support as well, and you have to keep an eye on all the supports that are below our current price level, because if we will break it, if we break this support, then we will break this pivot point and this one. This will invalidate all the targets that I mentioned in my previous video, and I will cover them again in a minute. And from this point, if we will break this major pivot point, we might go lower to lower levels. And I don't think that it will happen anytime soon, but it is still possible. Everything is possible. And that's why you have to follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And guys, think about this type of coins and this type of trades like a game. And this game might be very profitable, but you have to understand that if you lose this game, you will lose your money and nothing more. And that's why you have to understand all the risks. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. And our targets are still the same. To define these targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top of this wave, and the third point at the bottom of the retracement. And this is our key point. And as long as this pivot holds, we have following targets. First target at 1.618 extension level, second target at 2.618 extension level, third target and the fourth. These targets are the most aggressive ones. And from our current price to our most aggressive target, for now we have about 743%. And basically subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!